Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Birthstone. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and thumbnail, is going to be my next installment in the Birthstone makeup series. We are on the 7th month and I have consistently put out all the videos on time during the month that they are due for all the birthstones, and I gotta say, I'm proud of myself because I didn't think I'd be able to stick with it, and we are here, and now we are in July, and we're going to be doing the Ruby, which is the birthstone of July, which I'm very excited for because I feel like I just recently got a new palette that's got a really perfect red for this, and I'm just kind of here for doing an all red look right now. I think I'm going to do red eyes, red lips, red everything. So if you are excited about this video and you like it at any point, make sure to give it a like if you like, because I would like to know that you like what I'm showing you. Boom. If I say like enough, maybe you'll hit the like button. I gotta show you guys something so you can see this adorableness. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Dudders. Fat boy. Laziest cat on planet Earth, without a doubt. So I think it's time to get started. Right after you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I don't know if you remember to do that yet, but in case you forgot, I'll give you a second to go ahead and do that before we get started. You don't want to make everyone else wait, so you might want to hurry up. We're all waiting on you. So, oh, you did? Okay, we're good. Let's go. So now that we're all caught up with one another and we're all subscribed, I think it's time to go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. If you would like to see me do a Ruby-inspired makeup tutorial, just keep on watching. Okay, now that we have you all the way in, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Licorice from the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette. If you haven't seen my video on this yet, I'm not sure what order these are going to go up, but I will link it above. And if it's not up yet, it is coming. I've already filmed it. So it's a fun one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this color in my crease. So I'm going to keep this color pretty low in the crease. I'm going to try my hardest not to let this look get too blown out because I'm trying to keep it more centrally located. That's what I want for this look. Just like a nice low look. Every time I try to do this though, I end up blending it pretty much to my eyebrow, and today I don't want that. That's not the vibe today. So let's hope that I can keep it low. Tapping it in a circle all the way into the inner corner. This is a really, really pretty matte red, and I have been having fun using it, even though I don't normally like red eyeshadow on myself. I do think this red is beautiful. So now that we have that shape, I'm just going to slowly start making little circular motions and just softening the edges so slightly so that I don't blend too high. There we go. Okay, now that we have that shade down, I'm going to go in with the shade Raspberry, and I'm going to put it a little bit lower in the crease and deepen that up a bit. So what is your birthstone? If you're watching this, first off, have you seen all of my Birthstone series videos? And if so, which one has been your favorite? And have I done yours yet? I'm just kind of curious as to who's been watching this whole series, because I do have people that I see comment on every video, and I think that that's so sweet. Thank you so much. If you actually come back and watch my videos, you are amazing. I'm just kind of curious if I have done yours, if you liked it, and if not, why, and which one has been your favorite so far. Let me know. Okay, and now for a lid shade, I'm going to bust into this Element of Surprise palette. I'm going to pull out the shade, I believe it's called Blank Canvas. It's this one right here. It's like a dark red. It's like a brownie purple red, but I feel like it's going to work well for what I'm trying to do. Yes, that's going to work just fine. It's actually really silky matte. Oh my goodness. Sometimes when you try to put mattes on all over your lid, it's a little bit tricky to do, but that went on easy peasy lemon squeezy. I just said easy peasy lemon squeezy. Who am I? An 87-year-old women, two of them. Okay, now I'm going to take the same palette. I'm going to take the shade right here, Peace of Mind, which is like a dark shimmer, which I think will give it that reflective sort of ruby tone. You feel me? You feel me? Ooh, yes. That is so pretty. Okay, so now I want to work on the lower lash line, and I want to start by taking that shade Raspberry and putting that on the lower lash line because it's just such a pretty color. I'm going to connect that with the outer corner up here. Okay, what do I want to do now? What do I want to do now? Okay, I'm now going to take the Urban Decay glitter liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I'm going to put that on my inner corners just because I want some glitter up in this bitch. You can never have enough glitter, in my opinion. Yes, very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Alright, I think I'm done with the eyeshadow. I just wanted to go with something nice and simple for this look. I'm going to go ahead and throw on some mascara, maybe some eyeliner and a lip, and I will be right back to show you the completed look. Just give me just 1 second. Alright guys, so this is the completed Ruby inspired makeup look. Ooh, tell me that this didn't come out looking like straight fire. I'm kind of obsessed with it. All I did was add a wing, some black in the waterline, some mascara, and then a red lip. This is, what is this? What is this? This is Matte Confident, number 67 by Milani. This is like an old school favorite red of mine. I still plan to do that red lipstick collection video. If you still want to see that, let me know. I know I said it like a million years ago, but I can't remember if people actually wanted to see it. So of course, let me know, because if you do want it, I can do it. I have done a lipstick declutter recently, but I do still have a lot of red lipstick. So let me know if you'd like to see that. But ooh, if this doesn't look like perfection together, then I don't know what does. Normally I wouldn't do a red lip with a red eye, but it's Ruby inspired. How would I not? How would I not? I only wish that I had like some red glitter that I could have thrown on the lid and really like took it there, but I don't. So hopefully this sufficed for you with a little glitter in the inner corner. Alright guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did and you liked it at any point or liked anything about this video at any point, give it a like if you like it. And of course, smash that subscribe button to become part of the Brat Pack. I put out new videos here every week and I would love to have you hang out. And of course, if you'd like to keep up with my day-to-day life off of YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm big on Instagram stories. It's just Bratterstein for Twitter and my makeup Instagram. And then if you want to follow fitness stuff, it is Fatterstein. Post a lot on there as well. And I would love to hang out with you. I'm on there all the time. I'm on there a lot more than YouTube. Even though I do YouTube every week, I'm on Instagram like every single day because that's who I am. What can I say? What can I say? Please let me know down below if this is your birthstone and if you think I did you proud. And of course, if your birthday was in July, happy birthday. I'm glad you made it one more year on this earth, and I hope you make many more years on this earth that is, you know, flying through space and having earthquakes and the world is going crazy. But anyway, what was that? But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me when you could be anywhere else in the world. If you do want to binge my videos, I'll put them on the screen here so you can click whichever one you would like. And if you click on my face, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel, just in case I didn't give you enough ways to do that. Anyways, it's been great. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.